This is a quick demo on the use of My Number Bond app 3.3. When you download it, you double click your file. In the file you have these three tabs. Click the middle one, the My Number Bond 3.33. Please leave every other thing intact in the file. Then you have this interface where you choose your user. If you have been using it before, you can choose a different user you have saved before. Click select. When you do that, the current user changes. You can then click let's go. But if you're a new user, you type in your username in this box. That's a case where the name already exists, so you have to type a unique name. You click sign up. When you do that, the current user changes. So let's go. When you click let's go, you have a welcome page. Then you have your app. This is how it looks like. This is the setting tab. When you click the setting tab, you can set your preference for your number bond, the number of decimal, the math operation you want to work with, the number sum. You change to any number. Don't forget, you can change to any number. You want to select the missing number, first or second, and set the time. So this is what you have. The times is set, the number bond to 10 is set. Your reset keeps changing the questions, and this is the number pad. You can use your number pad to type your number, and you click enter after you finish typing your answer. In this case 2 is the answer. I click enter. When I do that, it tells me I'm correct. Anytime you click reset, you have a different set of questions to work with. So let's go for 10 random questions. So when you click start, it gets you ready for 10 random questions which you answer in the space of 5 seconds per question, because that's what I set it to, 5 seconds. So this is my question 1. Type your answer. After 5 seconds, it changes to the next question, and you go on and on like that until the last question.
Correct.
Don't forget, you can either use the numbers on your computer or the number pad on the application. In this case, I'm using the number on my computer. I think I'm faster on that. After typing each number as in each answer, don't forget to click enter. It is until you click enter that your answer locks in. I need to remind you that this application is a desktop application. It runs on laptop, your desktop computers.
Correct.
And after the 10th question, it takes you to the summary tab.
You got 10 out of your 10 questions. Excellent. That was a fantastic performance. Keep it up. For the
So that's what you get anytime you score 10 out of 10. And you have a medal for that. The medal keeps adding up as you get 100% score. Alright, don't forget I said you can change to any preference. You can change the decimal place, you can change the operation to any of the 4 available. Your number sum can be any number in the world, and your set timer can be any time depending on the level of the children. So this application is very good. It can be used by a 3-year-old, it can be used by a 30-year-old. All you need is set your preference according to the level of the user. So for a secondary school child, you might want to do something more advanced. You might want to set to negative numbers and work with some decimals. So another tab you can work on is the multiplication drill. When you click the multiplication drill tab, on your right hand side you have that box where you can set in your preference. It's good for the learning of multiplication table. So in this case I've set it to multiplication drill of 2. So a 3-4-year-old child might want to work on this, and anytime you click on reset you have a new question. Put in your answer, and if you are ready for 10 random questions after some exercises, when you click reset you solve as many questions as possible, and after you are familiar with the process you go ahead and click start to do your 10 quick questions. Process is the same. The question keeps on changing at the end of the time you specify. So you might want to start with the longer time, then you keep on reducing it for the child. I'm sure the children can operate this beautifully until the child gets mastery of the concept. Then you go to another value, you go to another number, go to another drill number. There is endless things you can do on this application. The same process. When the 10th question is answered, you get to the summary tab.
You got 10 out of your 10 questions. Excellent. That was a fantastic performance. Keep it up.
So you get a champion song again, and now you have 2 medals. Like I said, you can set it up to any value of your choice. Maybe the senior boys and girls might want something a little, difficult, or for their level you can set to negative. In this case I have times table of 5.2, the largest number being 15. You are good to go to work on the application. This is the beauty of this My Number Bond application. It can be used for children of all ages. Very, very engaging, tasking, and interactive. Sure, your children will appreciate math the more. Get it for them even at this time and make them practice as much questions as possible. Alright, kindly get this application, download it on your laptop or your desktop computer, and let your children appreciate the beauty of mathematics. Thank you very much. I am Benga Ayanfe, the CEO of Prime Tech 101.